In this video tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 must-use SEO website plugins which you can use for your WordPress website to improve performance. And I have been using these for a very long period of time, so I want to share them with you today so that you can start to use them and how you can use them effectively for the best performance starting today. So without wasting time, I'm going to begin with the first SEO WordPress website plugins in this list. So the first SEO website plugin is a plugin called Yoast SEO or SEO Yoast. It looks like this, and you can see that they have amazing features such as SEO analysis, readability analysis, and other analysis which you can use for free. You can see if I come here to the search area and search for Yoast SEO, you're going to see it looks like this. This is the plugin here. You want to make sure that you go ahead to install it and activate. And once you install and activate this plugin onto your WordPress website, you can use it to improve your website performance by using some key features which I'm going to show you how in this video tutorial. As an example, once you create a post or you want to create a new post by adding either a new post or a page, you're going to see that once I'm being taken to a post like this as an example on this article which I've stated how to rank your website post fast, you're going to see that once the SEO Yoast plugin has been installed and you write content like this, what is going to happen is from the down area of this section, you're going to see this area that says SEO Yoast, and from below this section, you're going to see those features that help you to write effectively. Example here, you can see that the readability score is green to tell you that it is perfect based on the readability score. But here, the SEO score here is not good, and therefore we need to find out what are the things we should include to help us to make sure that the SEO score as well is good. Because once the SEO score is good and the readability score is good, then of course, this post is good for ranking because it is an SEO plugin that is going to guide us on what to do. You can see that based on this area that says your search appearance, this is how the search of this particular post will look like on the search or on search engines. You can also modify this section to suit the need and make sure to fill all these boxes to stand a better chance of making sure that this post is good in terms of readability score and also on SEO score. Here, as an example here, what this particular area can help me to do is to make sure to come to the SEO section and insert the focus keyword which I want to rank for. For example, how to rank your website. You're going to see I've fitted that in, and you can see that I can also get related key phrases. If I click this button, key phrases will be shown to me once I logged into my account. But of course, I don't want to go there now. I just want to make sure that I try to make this to turn from red to green or to a better performance. So I've inserted the keyword I want to use. Now the next is to make sure that I insert my description. Here, I can form a good description here, like best way to rank your website can be found on this web page. Like you can make sure to formulate something and insert in that area. You can see the meta description area. I've stated, learn how to rank your website easily with a simple trick you have never seen before. Check this post today to learn amazing techniques. Now you can see that this section is green now. This one also here is green based on my slug. As you can see here, this one is green, and you can see that it has now changed to a pink. This area here, a kind of yellowish, thick yellowish color, which shows that it is getting better, and we need some other improvement to make it green. And here, what you need to know is if you want to see additional details on what you can do to make it improve, then of course you want to make sure that you come to this area here, click on this down-headed arrow, and once you click, you're going to see all the possibilities of what you need to do to make sure that you improve it. This is the best thing which is about this tool. It gives you ideas on what you need to do. Example here, we don't have outbound links, we don't have images, we don't have internal links, and we don't have the key phrase density needs to be at least between 1 or 2, and also the text length needs to be at least 300 words. And you already see what you need to do to make this to be 100%. You just need to come here to find what you need to do. Example, outbound links. Just make sure that you add outbound links onto this post, then add images onto this post. Then also you want to make sure that you make the text length to be better from 300 word to 500 word. And once you start to correct all those things you need to do, you're going to see that the SEO analysis will improve until it is going to be green. You can see once that has been done, you want to move to the next, which is the schema area, and see how you can also arrange this schema section. But by default, you just need to leave it like this. Don't touch anything here. And on social, it is going to pick the image of the post you have created or inserted inside of this post. And you can see that with SEO Yoast, you can come out with a good kind of SEO analysis for your content, which will improve performance and rankings. So the next SEO tool which you need to use for your site performance improvement is the Lightspeed Cache. You can see this is the dashboard. It looks like this. The importance of this Lightspeed Cache will help in image optimization, page optimization, CDN bandwidth, as well as you can see low quality image placeholder. You can see here they have some important features here like cache status. As you can see here, image optimization, as we have mentioned before. And to use this, of course, you want to make sure that you come to the plugin section to locate and install it directly. As an example, it looks like this. You can see it looks like this. And once you search for that key term, this is it here. If you click and install and activate, then of course, you can make sure that with the help of this Lightspeed Cache, you can optimize images on your site, as well as also improve performance of your website speed as well. So what you need to do is to locate this area that says Lightspeed Cache, and you're going to see this displays here. If you go to image optimization, then you can click on it and try to optimize some images by making sure that you use that area. And if you come here and send optimization request, it is going to go exactly. You can see 2 image optimization setting. You can see this is the setting here. You can either choose auto request or you can leave it off. Auto pull, you can see the different settings. Then just make sure that this area that says optimize original images, you can set it as on, or you just give it as off and you do it manually. But if you set it as on, it is going to be auto anytime you upload images from within or inside of your site. And once your image or images are being optimized, it is going to help to reduce the size of the images and of course improve the performance of your site as well. The next plugin is a plugin called Rank Math, and of course it looks like this. From the front end, once you try to install, you're going to see something that looks like this. You can either go for easy for website where you only want to change the basic and let Rank Math do the most heavily lifting. Most settings are set to default as per industry best practices. One just had to set it and forget it. So of course, I want to go for the easy, as you can see here, and click on start the wizard. And of course, once I do that, exactly what is going to happen is this particular Rank Math, we actually go to set up some SEO optimization settings for my benefit based on the best practices, as you can see highlighted here. And I can now come here and make sure that I come to start import, or I just skipped don't import. If I want to import anything, then of course I will take start import. But by default, just go and skip don't import now and click on it to allow this to just go by itself. You can see it is going like this, and it's going to make sure that it helps to set up my block by itself. And I'll just want to skip all of these steps like this. You can see my website is already go. You can see my website is trying to connect. Your site is, you can see, connect your Rank Math account. Then I'll just click and I'll go to skip this step or save and continue. And I'll just move to the next step, which you can see here. You can see your site is ready. And I'll just come now and just come to this area that says return to dashboard and click to dashboard. and I can also enable auto updates. You can see I've already linked my rank math inside here, and you can see that I have some settings here. There are very, very interesting settings, especially the free settings like instant indexing, which is good for me. Once I try to publish a post, indexing will be easy. You can see I have analytics, which of course rank mark will help to make sure that with the Google Search Console to see the most important information from the page I've published or post I've made. You can see also they have link counter and all of these features which I can enjoy for free. And they also have AMP, which is accelerated mobile pages. Here I can also enable it so that it will be very easy for mobile load, and this is the next, which is very important. And for you to install and activate this rank math, you just need to come here inside of the plugin section. So now you can see that it is on easy mode. I can now go inside of add new plugin and try. To those of you who want to locate it, then just go to plugin, add new plugin, and search for the key term rank math. And here inside of rank math, here inside of this search box, you can search rank math, and this is the tool here. You want to make sure to activate and install, and make sure to enable the setting I've just showed to you to improve performance of your site. And this is going to aid especially in ranking and easy indexing and optimization. The next SEO tool you will need to have is the XML sitemap. You want to make sure that you go ahead to install your sitemap or the XML sitemap so that your website is going to have sitemap for easy indexing and easy display of your pages based on search result. So what you want to do is to make sure that you go ahead to create a sitemap for your website. As you can see, I've just already created my own, and you can see this is the sitemap I've already created. And once you create a sitemap like this with the XML sitemap, you give the easy readability of search engine to find your website pages and posts and display the result to users based on the intent of search of keyword on display result of search engines. So what you want to do is to make sure that you go ahead to install the sitemap. You can see it is the XML sitemap. This is it here. And once I click on it, you're going to see this is it. My sitemap has been generated and everything is good now to go. For you to generate your own sitemap, you just need to make sure that you install and activate the plugin. For you to install the plugin, you just need to go to this area here that says plugin, just add new plugin and search for XML sitemap inside of this search, XML sitemap, and you're just going to see that XML sitemap. And of course, you're going to see this result. Let's give it a wait while it tried to display. We already had that display result, so let's wait. This is it here, XML sitemap generator for Google. You must make sure that you have this installed because it is going to create a sitemap for your website, and anytime you create a post or page, it will be easy for it to get indexed and the result will start to be displayed in search result, so that once search terms are being looked for by individuals, of course, your website, pages, and posts will be displayed based on the result. And once you install that sitemap, you will now be able to have your sitemap URL, which of course you can still go ahead to link it to Search Engine Console or to Search Console by making sure that once you linked it, it will be easy for your display pages to start to be found on the web. So once you get it installed, just come now to plugins, and once you come to plugins, just scroll down and you're going to see it here, XML site generator for Google. If you come to this area that says settings and click on the setting, you're going to be taken to this page and you can see that the map has already been generated. And you can also as well enable auto update for this by clicking on enable auto update, and anytime there is a new update, it will just automatically update. And you can see that notify search engine about your sitemap or your main sitemap and all sub sitemaps. You can see this is good. Once you create it like this, you can then take this URL and link it to your search console. And these are some of the most amazing SEO tools or plugins you need to use with your WordPress website so as to improve performance and rankings of your site when it comes to the displayed result of your search pages and posts on search results like Google search engines, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines for better visibility to people in need of this particular display. And to those of you who have not yet subscribed to receive new updates based on the video tutorials we have created, then you want to make sure to go ahead to subscribe so as to keep yourself updated to new tutorials whenever they are made available. Bye bye for now, and see you again in the next upload.